Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 7 ways to change directory on a terminal on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, be able to use different types of commands within the terminal command prompt on a Mac computer. We can now start this tutorial. Before we get into the tutorial itself, towards the end of the video, you will see the previous tutorial, which is all about how to change directory. In this tutorial, we are taking that a step further using 7 ways to change directory. So let's start the tutorial. We can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the application terminal, which is already built into the Mac computer itself. Click on terminal. Let's now increase the size of the terminal window. Command plus a couple of times, increase, Command plus one more time. Let's just clear everything on screen. And now if we type on screen cd, that changes directory. If we were in another directory, let's say a couple of folders down the line, by changing directory, we would go back to the home directory. In order for us to confirm that, we could type in pwd, which would show us the home directory, which is computer science videos. Now, the second terminal command after cd is change directories to another folder. Before we do that, let's just list everything on screen. Using ls-l, let's navigate to Documents, cd doc, tab to autofill, enter. And now if we ls on screen or ls-l, that now gives us everything within the Documents folder. We can go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, and there you go, that's the Documents folder on screen. If we go one back to Computer Science Videos, go within Documents, minimize Finder for the moment. Let's return to the tutorial itself. Command number 3 to change directory is cd and tilde. Let's clear everything on screen. Print working directories to see where we are at the moment. And so we are within Documents. Let's now type in cd. To get tilde on screen, use Option and N. That gives us the tilde sign. Enter. ls-l. We are now back within the Computer Science Videos folder. Terminal command number 4 to change directory would be to change directory and list everything on screen from one single terminal command. So let's just change directory, and now cd Documents semicolon ls-l. So we are now within Documents, and everything within Documents has been listed on screen. Now let's take that one step further by navigating into the GitHub folder. So we're now within the GitHub folder. Let's now take this one step further, move on to the 5th terminal command, which is cd-. And this now takes us to the previous directory or folder that we last browsed. But the real question is, which folder are we really in? Let's use print working directory to check that. And we are now in Documents. We were in the GitHub folder. We are now back to Documents. Let's now move up to the parent directory. How can we do that? let's just navigate to GitHub, cd GitHub, ls-l, give us some working space, or we can clear. Let's now use print working directory to check which folder we are in. And now to navigate or move up to the parent directory, cd space ... which is the terminal command number 6. Enter, ls-l. We are now back into documents. Let's take that one step further by going up 2 levels. Before we do that, let's just navigate back into the GitHub folder. cd GitHub semicolon ls-l. Now to go up 2 levels, cd ... and that takes us back to the computer science videos folder, ls-l, and there you go. So 7 terminal commands to help you change directory, move up and down a folder, navigate back and forth. So we can now quit terminal. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.